Hello, welcome to AI Learning. Telangana Current Affairs. Number 19. Culture and Heritage. The Kaleshwaram Lift Irrigation Project in Telangana is built across which river? A. Godavari. Which national park is located in the state of Telangana? Known for its rich biodiversity? A. Amrabad Tiger Reserve. What is the major irrigation project in Telangana named after a tribal leader? A. Kaleshwaram Project. The famous Chilkore Balaji Temple, popularly known as the Visa Temple, is located in which district of Telangana? A. Ranga Reddy. The Deccan Plateau covers a major part of which region in Telangana? A. South. Which national park in Telangana is known for its rich biodiversity and tiger conservation efforts? A. Kawal Wildlife Sanctuary. The Kasu Brahmananda Reddy National Park in Telangana is known for its population of A. Wild buffaloes. The Nehru Zoological Park in Hyderabad is home to the A. Indian rhino. The Pocharam Wildlife Sanctuary in Telangana is known for its A. Bird species. The Manjira Wildlife Sanctuary in Telangana is located along the banks of the A. Manjira River. Which lake in Telangana is one of the largest man-made lakes in Asia? A. Hussain Sagar Lake. The Kinnarasani Wildlife Sanctuary in Telangana is famous for its population of A. Tigers. The Nalgonda Turtle Conservation Reserve in Telangana is dedicated to protecting A. Freshwater turtles. The Devrakonda Hill in Telangana is known for its A. Sacred groves. Which river flows through the Pakal Wildlife Sanctuary in Telangana? A. Pakal River. The KBR National Park in Hyderabad is known for its A. Leopard population. The Kawal Wildlife Sanctuary in Telangana is known for its conservation of A. Tigers. The Mahavir Harina Vanastali National Park in Telangana is home to the A. Blackbuck. The Kalaru Lake Wildlife Sanctuary in Telangana is an important habitat for A. Migratory birds. The Durgam Cheruvu Lake in Hyderabad is popular for A. Boating and picnicking. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more interesting learning videos.